Adele celebrated turning 30 in style by hosting a Titanic-themed party. The Hello singer recreated scenes from the classic 1994 movie by dressing up as leading Lady Rose to celebrate reaching the milestone age. The British star thanked her friends and family for entertaining her super fandom for the movie and admitted she was a little worse for wear. At least the party didn't sink then. Adele's Titanic party comes after she cheered up Celine Dion, who wrote and performed the soundtrack for the movie My Heart Will Go On by wearing a hoodie with Celine's face on it from the movie Backstage at her Las Vegas residency gig. What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.